So I saw these wreath making stands everyone was using, and I thought I could make that out of scrap wood. So I'm using a 6-inch piece of plywood and a 10-inch piece of plywood. 6-inch is 32 inches long, and the 10-inch is 24 inches long. And then I took a piece of 2x3 and ripped that at a 15-degree angle. And I attached those two pieces about 16 inches down on the 10-inch piece of wood using screws and wood glue. And I left a space in between them wide enough to slide the smaller piece in there. So it's a little more than 3/4 inch. Then I just added my wreath hanger to the top, and it's as simple as that. So 3 pieces of wood. You want to make your angle towards the back, towards the larger end, so it'll stand. And that's it. So simple. And it has been so helpful with all of my wreath making. So you can see how I have the angle here. It's angled towards the back. And there's another view on the other side, so you can see that a little better. You just put your angle towards the back, and it's probably not quite an inch, but almost an inch. And here I am starting my first wreath. I also ended up adding an additional wreath hanger just a little lower so I could do smaller wreaths. But there it is. The full tutorial is on my webpage at doubledaisylane.com. Y'all have a great day.